VPN is a popular choice for online security, but is it the best option for you? Here are 12 things you need to know before buying VPN so you can make an informed decision. Stick around to the end because we'll also compare it to other top VPNs and give you a recommendation you can try for free. First off, VPN offers a solid range of features, including military-grade encryption, a kill switch, and DNS leak protection. While these are essential for a secure connection, some competitors like ExpressVPN offer even faster speeds and better streaming capabilities. Next thing, the server network. VPN has around 1,000 servers across 40 countries, which is decent, but not as extensive as top competitors like NordVPN, which boasts over 5,000 servers. Having more servers usually means better connection speeds and less congestion. The third thing to note is their no logs policy. VPN claims they don't log your activity, which is great for privacy, but unlike other VPNs like ExpressVPN and ProtonVPN, they're not as transparent with independent audits, leaving some questions about the reliability of their policy. Moving on, VPN is known for its simple and user-friendly apps across devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. However, compared to other VPNs with more customizable settings and features, it's a bit basic. If you like control over your settings, this might not be the best fit. The fifth thing to consider is speed. VPN is relatively fast, but it's not the fastest in the market. Competitors like CyberGhost and NordVPN offer more consistent speeds, especially for HD streaming and gaming. If speed is a priority for you, VPN might not be the best choice. Next thing, their pricing structure. VPN offers a monthly plan, but if you're looking for long-term savings, their annual plan is more cost-effective. However, there are cheaper VPNs out there like Surfshark, which provides similar features at a lower price. The seventh thing is customer support. VPN has 24/7 support, but unlike other top-tier VPNs like NordVPN, the support isn't as highly rated. Responses can be slow, and the support options aren't as extensive as some competitors. Next up, the torrenting experience. VPN does support torrenting, but speeds can be inconsistent compared to dedicated torrenting VPNs like PIA, which is known for its P2P performance. The ninth thing, streaming access. VPN unblocks several major streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer, but it doesn't always perform as reliably as ExpressVPN or NordVPN, which consistently bypass geo-restrictions with ease. The 10th thing to know is the ease of use. VPN has a simple setup process, which makes it great for beginners. But if you're an advanced user looking for features like split tunneling or dedicated IP addresses, you may want to look at other options like CyberGhost or NordVPN. Now, let's talk about compatibility. VPN works on a wide range of devices, including routers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, but it doesn't have the same level of support for specialized devices as other competitors like ExpressVPN. The 12th and final thing is their trial and refund policy. VPN offers a 7-day free trial, which is a nice option for testing it out, but other VPNs like Surfshark and NordVPN offer longer money-back guarantees, giving you more time to decide if the service is right for you. So, after weighing all these factors, VPN is a solid choice for general browsing and security, but it falls short in some areas like speed, transparency, and extra features when compared to other leading VPNs. If you're looking for a more robust solution, check out our recommended VPN that offers better performance and a longer free trial, with all the features you need to stay secure online.